I hope people find it inspiring, and yet also, it's a film about a heavy topic. It's about domestic violence, something that 1 in 3 women have to deal with globally. And we're just really proud of how the film turned out and the impact that it's had, and it's on Netflix now.
Ryan Reynolds has remained relatively tight-lipped with the media about the escalating legal battle between Blake Lively and Justin Baldoni, but sources close to the actor suggest he's deeply frustrated by the situation. Known for his quick wit and easygoing demeanor, Reynolds is reportedly struggling to balance his support for Lively, his wife and co-star, with his desire to avoid further fueling the public drama. Insiders claim he views the lawsuit as an unnecessary distraction from the creative vision of It Ends With Us, a project he once believed in wholeheartedly. While Reynolds has yet to make an official statement, his silence speaks volumes, hinting at a man caught between loyalty and disappointment, hoping for a resolution that salvages both the film and his personal relationships. Ryan Reynolds is reportedly grappling with more than just the legal fallout. Rumors swirling about Blake Lively's alleged involvement with Justin Baldoni have added a deeply personal layer to the chaos. While Reynolds has not publicly addressed the speculation, insiders reveal he's deeply unsettled by the whispers, questioning whether there's any truth to the claims or if they're simply a tactic to further tarnish Baldoni's reputation. Known for his unwavering support of Lively, Reynolds is said to be torn between trusting his wife and confronting the uncomfortable possibility that the rumors could hold weight. The situation has undoubtedly strained their relationship, leaving Reynolds to navigate a minefield of legal battles, public scrutiny, and private doubts, all while trying to maintain his trademark composure. In today's hyper-connected world, where information spreads faster than ever, it's ironically harder to discern the truth, especially when it comes to the inner workings of industries like Hollywood. The entertainment business in particular thrives on a delicate balance of public perception and private reality, making it nearly impossible for outsiders to separate fact from fiction. Behind the glitz and glamour lies a labyrinth of carefully crafted narratives, strategic PR moves, and whispered rumors, all designed to shape how the world sees a project, a person, or a scandal. For those not directly involved, it's a constant challenge to know what's real and what's manufactured drama. Social media, tabloids, and even industry insiders often contribute to the noise, amplifying half-truths or outright lies to fit a particular agenda. This creates a fog of uncertainty, leaving fans and observers to piece together fragments of information, often without the full context. The situation between Blake Lively, Ryan Reynolds, and Justin Baldoni is a prime example of how difficult it can be to understand what's truly happening behind closed doors.
Here's this name of this writer that cut through. That was interesting to me because, in older generations, everybody was listening to the same radio shows, watching the same 30 channels. So now when the whole world is open to you, for a name to cut through like that to a younger generation really made me perk up.
Are the allegations and rumors rooted in genuine conflict, or are they part of a larger strategy to control the narrative? Without being in the room where decisions are made or conversations happen, it's nearly impossible to know. Even those within the industry sometimes struggle to navigate the murky waters of gossip, legal battles, and personal vendettas. For Reynolds, this uncertainty is likely magnified as he's forced to weigh public speculation against private trust, all while the world watches and judges. In an era where perception often overshadows reality, the truth becomes a moving target, leaving everyone, celebrities and fans alike, to wonder if they'll ever truly know what's real. Blake Lively's legal team is reportedly approaching the high-stakes lawsuit with a mix of determination and caution, fully aware of the intense public scrutiny surrounding the case. Her lawyer, a seasoned professional with a reputation for handling high-profile disputes, is said to be meticulously building a defense that not only counters Justin Baldoni's claims, but also aims to protect Lively's reputation in the court of public opinion. The legal team is likely focusing on dismantling Baldoni's allegations piece by piece, emphasizing any inconsistencies or lack of evidence while highlighting Lively's professionalism and commitment to the project. They are also likely preparing to address the rumors and speculation head-on, aiming to discredit any narratives that could harm her image. At the same time, Lively's lawyer is undoubtedly aware of the emotional toll this situation is taking on their client. Balancing the legal strategy with the personal well-being of Lively is a delicate task, especially given the involvement of her husband, Ryan Reynolds, and the the potential strain on their relationship. The lawyer is likely advising Lively to remain composed and avoid public statements that could be misconstrued or used against her in court. They are also probably working closely with PR experts to ensure that any public messaging aligns with their legal strategy, aiming to present Lively as the victim of unfounded accusations rather than a contributor to the drama. Ultimately, Lively's legal team is navigating a complex web of legal, personal, and public relations challenges, all while under the glaring spotlight of Hollywood's relentless media machine. Their goal is not only to win the case, but to ensure that Lively emerges from this ordeal with her career and personal life intact. The world of Hollywood glitz and glamour has been overshadowed by a shocking $400 million lawsuit. Actor and director Justin Baldoni has taken legal action against fellow A-listers Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds in what is shaping up to be one of the most explosive defamation cases in recent memory.
And we were looking for like inspirational content that could have real impact, and she sent it to me, and I'd never read a romance novel, and it was the first time reading a book where the female protagonist, where I like got to be her and experience that, and I sobbed at the end of it, and I just called her and I said, I have to find a way to make this into a movie.
Wow.
And here we are.
The controversy stems from the much-anticipated film adaptation of Colleen Hoover's best-selling novel, It Ends With Us, a story loved by millions for its raw portrayal of love, heartbreak, and resilience. What began as a passion project for Baldoni, hailed for his artistic vision and emotional storytelling, has spiraled into a full-scale legal war. Baldoni claims that Lively, who was cast as the lead character, Lily, along with her husband Reynolds, derailed the production with behind-the-scenes drama, demands, and accusations that have rocked the foundation of this project. But this isn't just about hurt feelings or creative disagreements. Baldoni insists that this lawsuit isn't simply a counter to Lively's own allegations. It's about salvaging his reputation and the very soul of the movie that's now drowning in controversy. As the legal documents pile up, fans of the novel and Hollywood insiders alike are left wondering, how did a heartfelt film adaptation turn into a battleground of lawsuits, broken partnerships, and alleged betrayal? Buckle up. This fight is only getting started, and the next twist will leave you questioning everything. Stay tuned, because what Blake Lively did next, something that would push Baldoni to his breaking point, turned this battle into a Hollywood nightmare. From the lawyer's perspective, this case is as much about optics as it is about the law. They see the lawsuit as a high-stakes battle where public perception can sway outcomes almost as much as legal arguments. The lawyer is likely frustrated by the sensationalized nature of the case, knowing that every detail, no matter how trivial, is being dissected by the media and fans alike. They are also acutely aware of the potential long-term impact on Lively's career, which adds pressure to not only win in court, but to protect her image as a respected professional. The lawyer is probably strategizing to counter Baldoni's claims with hard evidence, while also preparing to debunk any damaging rumors that could undermine Lively's credibility. They understand that this case is a delicate balancing act, requiring a sharp legal mind and a keen understanding of how Hollywood's court of public opinion operates. Their focus is on presenting Lively as the wronged party, someone who has been unfairly dragged into a messy dispute, while ensuring that the truth, or at least their version of it, prevails. The tension reached new heights when Blake Lively took control, both on and off the set. According to Baldoni's lawsuit, she not only resisted the film's creative direction, but actively worked against his vision. One of the first major clashes revolved around wardrobe choices. Rather than dressing Lily, a struggling small business owner, in outfits that reflected her reality, Lively allegedly insisted on wearing high-end designer pieces, including luxury shoes worth thousands. Baldoni argues that these choices undermined the authenticity of Lily's character, a key element that resonated deeply with fans of the book. But the wardrobe dispute was only the beginning.
Show it how valuable it is. So she does that with Atlas. She does that with, I imagine to an extent she did it with her father. I mean, she does it with her mother, she does it with herself, she does it with Ryle. She does it with her flower shop. So she sees the beauty in something that, others may cast aside or think is tarnished.
Baldoni's legal team claims they made every effort to accommodate Lively's preferences to maintain harmony on set, yet the situation quickly spiraled. When paparazzi photos surfaced showing Lively in extravagant outfits, fans of the novel reacted with outrage. Social media erupted with criticism, accusing the production of straying from the essence of Lily's journey. What started as an internal creative disagreement soon turned into a full-blown PR disaster, leaving Baldoni scrambling to contain the fallout. Beyond the costumes, tensions continued to rise over the script itself. Reports emerged that Lively was dissatisfied with certain aspects of the screenplay, allegedly pushing for rewrites that would alter the story's tone. Baldoni, who had dedicated months to crafting a faithful adaptation, found himself losing creative control, and as the behind-the-scenes conflict escalated, one name kept surfacing: Lively's husband, Ryan Reynolds. Reynolds' involvement, according to Baldoni, took the turmoil to an entirely new level. His alleged interference would prove to be a turning point in the unraveling of the film, and Baldoni insists it changed everything. Hollywood's dazzling facade has been shattered by a jaw-dropping $400 million lawsuit. Actor and director Justin Baldoni has launched a legal battle against fellow celebrities Blake Lively and Ryan Reynolds, setting the stage for one of the most explosive defamation cases in recent history. At the heart of the dispute is It Ends With Us, the highly anticipated film adaptation of Colleen Hoover's beloved novel, known for its raw exploration of love, heartbreak, and resilience. What started as a passion project for Baldoni, celebrated for his emotional storytelling, has spiraled into a chaotic legal showdown. Baldoni alleges that Lively, who was cast as the film's protagonist Lily, and her husband Reynolds sabotaged the production with behind-the-scenes conflicts, unreasonable demands, and accusations that sent shockwaves through the project. But this isn't just a case of creative differences or bruised egos. According to Baldoni, this lawsuit goes beyond a simple response to Lively's own claims. It's about defending his reputation and rescuing a film that has been engulfed in turmoil. As legal battles intensify, fans of the novel and Hollywood insiders alike are left questioning how a heartfelt adaptation turned into a war of lawsuits, fractured alliances, and alleged betrayal. With new revelations on the horizon, this controversy is far from over. Prepare for twists that will challenge everything you thought you knew.